My name is Robert Gissing. I was working with Niagara Belco to develop a new kind of elevator interlock system.
We manufacture and supply elevator door systems for our own product and other manufacturers in the industry. And we also have an elevator manufacturing division.
All that applied knowledge worked really well in working with a client for real, who had a real problem with real stakes. I would say my biggest takeaway from the project was realizing that while the technical aspects of engineering are vital to solve the problem, it's a communications issue. That's 2/3 of the solution. It's coming up together with what the problem statements are and demonstrating to them the work that you've done. It's a collaborative exercise.
Conestoga and Niagara Belco have an excellent relationship, and this latest project is definitely the most productive and rewarding project that we've done to date with Conestoga. And for this particular situation, we've actually come out the other end with what we believe will be a production-ready product fairly soon, and we're very excited about that possibility.
The most surprising and pleasant thing that came out of this whole experience was that they stopped treating me as a co-op student and started treating me as a collaborator. Being able to wrestle with it as equals was really exciting. I can't think of any negative aspects of working on this project. The company was really open to the idea of trying a new way of innovating.
Robert had, I think, the right attitude when it comes to approaching a project. He didn't have any preconceived opinions that needed to be changed, and he was very receptive to any proposals.
For us, it was great. We had an excellent student in Robert, and he understood very clearly what we were trying to achieve. And the whole process was almost like having a dedicated employee for really to carry out the project. And we were exceptionally happy with the results.
Robert was exceptional. He was very mature. He took it upon himself to really drive the project. He actually drove it and was in communication with us so well and so frequently that it stimulated our activity to make sure that we held up our end of the scenario. When you can find an industry partner in an education system like Conestoga, it really is a true win-win, and we would do it again and again.